Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Brookfield local and long-distance movers near me. Relocation of 50 miles and above is a long-distance relocation. It can fall within the state or outside of it. You've made an intrastate move when you relocate within the state, while outside relocation is an interstate move. With us, you do not have to worry about the move. Your move will be flawless. We are also very affordable, the cheapest and most quality service you will find around. We boast an excellent working relationship with the state and federal authorities in charge of relocations. And this relationship provides our clients and their belongings with the protection that they deserve. Also, our insurance policies safeguard our customers' interests from liabilities during and after the move. Our charges are reasonable. Our local moving services are at a rate of $30 to $40 per hour. This affordability sets us apart from other firms in the area. You can ask for proof of our services from our previous customers. Our movers are licensed, and they are also insured. We ensure that the move is smooth and flawless. Sometimes, we help to map out a moving strategy for our clients. All our customers enjoy quality customer service since we put them first and make them comfortable. If you want advice on any part of the relocation process, you only need to contact us and we will answer. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Brookfield moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.